How's it guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are working on VTR. In the previous video we rebuilt the engine. I'll put a link up above. So let's get this engine into this bike. Let's get started. Okay guys, so this is the game plan. We've got the bike hooked up to the ceiling and I've got a pro pulley on the back here. The engine's on the engine stand. I'm going to roll this underneath the bike. I'm going to pull up the bike a little bit more and maybe pull up the front a little bit more, and then I'm going to try and roll it underneath so I can get 3 important bolts in. We've got these bolts, and then lower it all down and then we'll put on the tail end. It's gonna be a mission. I'm gonna put this on a time lapse. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so we've got the engine in, we've got the 3 bolts on. Actually it's 4 bolts and not 3 bolts. So we've got this major bolt, that major bolt, very long bolts, and then we've got one on each side connecting here. So next what I want to do is I want to take the engine off this and then basically move the engine jack out, and then I'll take off the bracket that's holding the engine in place. At this moment the whole bike is resting on the engine frame. I'm not sure I'm going to loosen this without it just falling down, but we'll get to it. Let me see what I can do. I don't know if you guys saw what a mission that was. So anyways, we've got it out and I'm out of breath. So it's time to lower the back end, put on the tail end. I must not forget the chain needs to go on. So I'm first going to clean off the chain, but so far the engine is in here, it's looking great and I'm out of breath. So that's the engine fitted to this frame. Tail section is on, everything is done. What's left to do is fitting all the covers, the valve covers, this side cover, that side cover, and basically just plugging all the wiring. I still need a new battery, which I don't know which size it takes, so if anybody knows, please comment down below. And then we will be on to making this bike pretty. So in the next video we'll fit all the covers, sort that out. I still need to fit the sump as well. I'm waiting for O-rings on that, which should be here actually in the next few days. So once I have that, sump is on, everything's on, bike can get cleaned, and then we start putting this together, and I think this is going to be amazing. So if you want to see what else is going to happen on this bike and other builds as well, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Cheers.